Good afternoon, everyone. This is Grizzly, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you my top stocks I'm watching for this upcoming week, which happens to be the first trading week of the year. I hope you all are as excited about this upcoming year as I am. I feel like we're going to do great things together. But first, before I get into this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my videos. And for those of you that stick around until the end, I'm going to be showing you a stock that's in one of my favorite sectors. It's at a very good entry point for a long-term position. So yeah, let's get right into it. First stock I'm watching for a day trade is Ford. Okay, ticker F. I will point out that, I'm bullish on this stock. It's a good long-term stock to hold, in my opinion. I do feel like a better entry point would be around this 1941 for your long-term, but, that's not a real big difference than what it's at now. Anyways, for a day trade, I'll be watching for a break above this 21 area with a price target of 21.49 and next price target will be 22.15. And if we break above this high here, I think we could see 22.15. If we break that, I think we could see 23. But I don't expect all this to happen in a day trade. So if I could get 21.49 out of this trade, I've done well. Next stock I'm watching is GM in the same sector as Ford. Okay, let me pull up the daily chart, as you can see this one a little better on the daily. What I'm looking at, you can see we got above this 20 SMA here, and I expect a move back up here to this trend line. Yes, I would love to see it break it, but if it doesn't, if we can get in right here above this 59.16, we'll definitely be in some good profits by the time it reaches it. I prefer to day trade GM. I have taken swing trades on Ford and GM, but I like this setup for a day trade better. If we break above this 59.16, 60 would be my first price target, 60.58 for my second, and around the 60.2 for my final. Now, the last stock I'm watching, for those of you that's in Team Bull, this is one of my favorite small account friendly stocks to trade with options. They're cheap. Walmart moves well. The spreads aren't bad on the options. But let me show you all why I've been liking Walmart so much here lately. Okay, this is a weekly chart. If you take a look back, you see the big picture here. We're kind of trading in this area, right? We're coming up. We hit this resistance, sell off, hit this support, bounce up, hit resistance, kind of like trading in the zone here. And I expect the same thing to happen here. I think, this could be a possible swing trade. I will more than likely treat it as a day trade personally. But I like to get above this 145.25 for calls. First price target would be this 146.4. 147.8 would be, if I could get that out of a day trade on Walmart, that'd be amazing. I treat, for those of you that haven't traded with me and are not familiar with me, I do watch price levels, but I think of day trades and scalps as like percentage wise. If I can get 1 to 10% out of a scalp trade with options, I've done well. If I can get 10 to 30% profit from a day trade, I've done well. That's how I tend to look at day trades more than I do price targets. But nothing wrong with trading price targets. That's why I always include them on my charts for you all. Now, that's the top 3 stocks I'm watching this week. I promise you all I'll show you a stock in my favorite sector. For those of you that's in Team Bull, you're already familiar with this stock. It was brought to our attention by Brandon. Let's just go ahead and take a look at HUT. This is in the, this has to do with crypto. For those of you that know me, I'm very bullish on crypto. I hold a lot of it. I would say 85% of my net worth is in crypto. If not more. I don't know the exact percentage. But I feel like we're at a good support area here. I think, this will be a safe entry for long term. Yeah, we could break below this and have a little move down here to this 5-ish area. But you know, if I get in here, I would just add a little more down here, and I would be planning on holding this for a while, um, possibly a year. But I do believe, you know, I have high conviction that we're gonna come back up here and break this all-time high at some point this year. Time has proven the market continues up, and crypto has been crazy for those of you who are familiar with it. But yeah, um, that is good for equity or calls, whatever you prefer. But that concludes my video. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me. And again, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that bell icon because I got some live trading coming for you all. Appreciate you all.